Well, hello there. Today, your friend Inky is not feeling too good. Look, look what I did. I hurt my arm. The doctor took an x-ray and said that I have broken my bone. I must take some rest to make sure that my arm heals soon. You go and listen to the next story. E, 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 e.
This is a story of a letter called X. Max and Ty are playing. They are pretending to be spacemen. Max the alien chases Ty the astronaut up a tree. Ty falls out of the tree and breaks his arm. His dad takes him and Max to the hospital where Ty has an x-ray. Ty has to keep his arm very still while they take the x-rays. X, 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 x. The nurse plasters his arm so that he cannot move it and the bones will mend properly. Letter X makes the sound X. Once again, X makes the sound X. Let's listen to the jolly song.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
Letter X says X.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
Pretend to take an x-ray and say X.